Double front entry doors Washington, D.C. offer a grand entrance to any home, combining elegance with functionality. These doors are perfect for homeowners looking to make a statement with their entryway renovation. With a variety of double door styles available, you can choose from traditional entry doors or modern front doors to suit your home's aesthetic. Entry door installation in D.C. is a crucial service for those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Door installation experts in Washington, D.C. provide professional services to ensure your new doors are installed correctly and efficiently. Whether you're interested in custom entry doors or energy-efficient doors, these experts have the skills to meet your needs. Custom double front entry doors. Washington, D.C. offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's entrance. With options for door customization, you can select from a range of materials, colors, and finishes to create a door that reflects your personal style. Custom entry doors are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a distinctive look. Energy-efficient doors in D.C. are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Insulated entry doors are a key component of energy-efficient homes in Washington, D.C. Door replacement services in Washington, D.C. are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your home's entryway. Whether you need to replace worn-out doors or upgrade to more modern front doors, professional door replacement services ensure a seamless transition. Front door upgrades can significantly enhance your home's value and appeal. Front door design in Washington is an art that combines aesthetics with practicality. From decorative glass doors to weatherproof doors, there are numerous design options to consider. Door hardware options D.C., such as handles and locks, add the finishing touch to your double front entry doors. Washington, D.C. design, ensuring both style and security. Door hardware options in D.C. provide a wide range of choices for enhancing the functionality and appearance of your entry doors. From sleek modern handles to traditional knobs, the right hardware can complement your door's design. Security door installation in Washington ensures that your home remains safe and secure. Security door installation in Washington is a top priority for homeowners looking to protect their property. With advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials, security doors provide peace of mind. Whether you choose steel front doors or fiberglass entry doors, security door installation in D.C. offers robust protection. Fiberglass entry doors in D.C. are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors offer the look of wood without the associated upkeep, making them ideal for busy homeowners. Fiberglass entry doors are also available in a variety of styles and finishes to suit any home. Steel front doors in Washington, D.C. are known for their strength and security features. These doors are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking maximum protection. Steel front doors can be customized with various finishes and decorative elements to enhance your home's exterior.